Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Lenovo laptop. Before we dive in, it's crucial to understand the two main reset options: keeping your files or removing everything. Always back up all important data to an external drive or cloud storage first. Also, ensure your laptop is plugged into a power source to prevent any interruptions during the process. These initial steps are vital for a smooth and successful reset. To begin the reset process, navigate to your Windows Start menu and select Settings. From there, click on Update and Security, and then choose the Recovery option. You will then see the Reset this PC section. Simply click on the Get Started button to initiate the reset wizard. This will guide you through the initial stages of preparing your system for a fresh start. Now, you'll need to make a key decision. You can select Keep My Files to reinstall Windows while preserving your personal data, or choose Remove Everything for a complete data wipe, which is ideal if you're selling the laptop or facing major system issues. Additionally, you'll decide between a cloud download or a local reinstall for how Windows will be reinstalled onto your device. Once you've made your selections, confirm them and follow the on-screen prompts to begin the reset. The entire process can take anywhere from 20 minutes to several hours, depending on your chosen options and the speed of your system. Your laptop will restart multiple times during this period, so it's very important not to power it off manually. Just let it complete its work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.